Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing a tour inside of this polka dot palm. So yeah, let's go check out the speakers, and this also has ceiling fans in there as well, as you see right there. So let's go check it out.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So you see right here we have these JBL speakers. These are probably like the old style JBL speakers, and they've been deactivated for a while. And there's another one right there. And here are the ceiling fans. And these could be the Harbor. I think they could be those Harbor Breeze Springfields. I think I don't know. I can't hardly tell.
Girls, have a good afternoon. You too.
That's like your music. Oh wait, there it is right here. So this is a Hio speaker, and it has really good bass. So I might get copyright in this one song, but you know, this is kind of worth it, because this might be a history. There's another one of these Harbor Breeze Springfields. Oh, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I don't think they're Harbor Breeze Springfields. I don't know, I can't really tell what these are, because how they design, but they're pretty cool. I might get copyright in this one song, but you know, it's worth filming anyway. Alright, that's pretty much everything I covered, so I'll see you guys outside. Alright, so that was the tour of the polka dot palm. So yeah, that was very interesting. The very interesting about these JBLs, those old style JBL speakers. I thought I'd never seen something like that before. That's pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching.